So the Flood Mitigation Assistance Program is a grant reimbursement program that can reimburse residents of Fairfax County for installing flood-proofing measures on their properties to help improve flood resiliency and minimize property damage. So anyone in Fairfax County can utilize the program, excluding folks in the towns of Vienna and Herndon, and then in the city of Fairfax or Alexandria. You don't have to be in a floodplain or have experienced flooding before. So if somebody wanted to purchase and install a battery backup for their sump pump, all they have to do is purchase the product, install it, take pictures, and send in their photos and itemized receipts through our application portal. So only projects installed on or after July 1st, 2024 can be considered for reimbursement. Once we receive the complete application, we verify that the residence is in Fairfax County and is in a location where we can approve it. We make sure that the project is on our list of approved practices, and we make sure that if there were permits that needed to be obtained, so electrical, miscellaneous, plumbing, mechanical, that those are included in the application. So whether that be a picture of the permit itself or a screen grab of the email saying that they passed the inspection for the permit, we look for those as well in a complete application.
I had some water damage, it looked like in the basement about 2 years ago. And about a year after that, I kind of thought it was going to go away. It was for some other reasons. And then about a year later, I saw some black spots in the carpeting. And I said, I should probably get some contractor quotes to see where the source of the water is coming from and what to do to remediate it. So the contractor sealed the outside of the basement foundation and also did an injection sealing in the crack that I had, but also put in a new sump pump and a catch basin on the outside underneath our deck to catch the water and to take the water out and to the drain. I went on the website, Fairfax County website, and I found a bunch of different places, and it was soil and water conservation. I clicked on that and then saw the different projects that they might support. And I didn't actually see exactly what I wanted, so I prompted me to send an email to the contact, and they got back to me right away and helped me understand what would be covered, what wouldn't be covered.
We're definitely available to come out for a consultation. It's meant to be a simple program. We want the money to get out to residents. The pool, I believe it was started at $200,000 that we got from the county. There's still quite a bit left. Up to a $5,000 maximum means that even if there was a $15,000 or $20,000 project that someone submitted, the maximum that they can receive for the life of the property is $5,000.
I was very satisfied with working with the FMAT folks. They were helpful, they were very communicative, and they got back to me. And in the end, after the project was done, I submitted my information and got reimbursed very quickly. So yes, I would recommend it to other homeowners who are looking to do some improvements in their home and to resolve the problems with water damage in their homes.